change it a little bit after 6, 7, 8 days. Here you can see better the salt in the central part, put by hand. There, the bowls there, the beans. And here inside, again on the platforms, 15 days. Here inside, 15 days. Prosciutto di Parma. And this is one of the rules set by the consortium. And here in this first part, the workers, they trim the legs continuously to give this final shape. They say it's like a drumstick, a chicken leg. Okay. The leg that you saw in the first one, in that case, they leave that.
Wow.
Very dry after 6 months. And this could be a problem now, because here we have the skin to protect the flesh. But here it's exposed, so dry faster, and it's not a good thing. So we have to solve this problem. We have to do something for this. We have to put something on. And I show you now in the next room what we do for this part. And we have to cover the exposed part with this paste. This is a paste after 2 months because it's a little bit dry. In this room, if you want to take a look there, it's white. It's a paste, it's very white. It's a little bit darker here. This paste here is called sugna. Sugna, the Italian name is sugna. A sugna is made with fat, lard, because we said that the fat, so from the pig, lard from the pig, rice flour, salt, pepper, and water. That's it. We mix all the ingredients together. We have a table with the sugna in the middle, the workers around, Fabrizio with the other guys, and one by one, with the hand, with the finger, they cover this part to protect the flesh. It's like the second skin. It's like the fat and the skin. Here is a second skin. It's a protection. Va bene.
Oh, I see the seal.
The seal, yes. The difference here is about this magic. This is magic. For the Parmigiano Reggiano, it's a sound check. This is a smell check. And the horse one, you know why the horse?
It doesn't have a scent or
no,
something? No,
because the horse one is very porous. Big holes. It's very, very porous.
Yeah.
And it's very important. This is very important because this allows the smells to be captured very quickly, but 2-3 seconds, they are gone. So they don't have to wait 2-3 minutes to wash it, to clean it. 2-3 seconds. They put it inside, they smell it, okay, and then the next one.
Wow.
This is close to the 2 bones. We have 2 bones here. Femoral bones, the hip, 1 and 2, so close to the bones, to the 2 bones. And then here on the bottom we have 2 veins, the femoral vein and the central vein. This is important for the blood. I said before, we have to control if you have some blood, some rancid. They put it inside and then they smell it. If the smells are perfect, the smells that we want for the Prosciutto di Parma, we can put the final stamp here. It's a fire stamp. You can see it's the crown of the Duchy of Parma, Parma written in the middle, and E25 is this producer here. It's produced like the number on the E20.
Yeah, that.
That's good.
Delicious.